Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tasty J, and today I am trying the new Wingstop flavors. So Wingstop came out with 3 new flavors, and they are limited time. So I'll just read the names. The one is the Meltdown, the next one is Crunch Time, and the last one is Pure Mayhem. And I am most excited about Pure Mayhem because Pure Mayhem is the one that has the fry seasoning on it. So I'm really excited to try that one because I love the fry seasoning. I get my fries with extra fry seasoning. But yeah, so I ordered this for delivery, and honestly, off the jump, it's just not, hasn't been, it's not a good experience. So the one that I ordered is supposed to include the wings, fries, and sauce. They're, like they're blue cheese or ranch. I was supposed to get 3 blue cheeses, and they didn't give me a single one. So I'm kind of frustrated a little bit. I also was supposed to get the celery and carrots that come with the meal. They didn't give me that either. And I ordered this directly through their website, so it's even more frustrating. But it's okay. We're just gonna brush it off, and we're still gonna do the video. So to read what the flavors, like what the description they have on their website is. So Pure Mayhem is, like I said, the one with the signature fries seasoning. The Meltdown, it says savory garlic tossed with bold Cajun seasoning and buttery Parmesan. And then Crunch Time, it says sweet honey and zesty lemon combined in a fiery dry rub. So they put, I think this one might be, just based on how it looks, might be the fry seasoning one, because it kind of looks like the fry seasoning. And then they put the other 2 flavors together in one. So one is on top, one is on bottom. I think I'm gonna take these. I think I'm gonna take these ones out that are together. The 2 flavors here. One second. Okay. So because none of them have labels, like I said, I don't know which one is which. So I'm just gonna dig in. So this one I think is the fry seasoning one. Oh, it's hot. This is good. It's hot. See, when I get to the middle part like that, where there's no skin, that's the part I like to dip even more in my blue cheese. So I'm kind of upset that I don't have any. Okay. I got fries on the side. And like I said, oh, look at how big this is. I love their fries seasoning. Their fry seasoning. So these other ones, I'm gonna have to guess. I'll try this one. It's hot. I think this one is the Meltdown, which is, like I said, the savory garlic tossed with bold Cajun seasoning and buttery Parmesan. It has like a Cajun-y flavor to it. And on the website, it shows you like the spice level. And out of 5, this one's supposed to have 3. So what's that, like medium, I guess? The fried seasoning one has none, and then the crunch time has 2. I'll come back to that. And then that makes this crunch time. So I'm expecting this to have sweetness to it, since it says sweet honey. This is good. I think this might be my favorite one. It's hot, but it's not gonna stop me. This one, you can literally taste, like, it has sweetness to it, but then you can also taste like that lemon, like, in the background. That's good. I like that one. So already, it's funny because, like I said, I was looking the most forward to the fried seasoning one, but off the jump, I actually like the, what was it, the crunch time, the best. That fried seasoning, they need to sell that as its own thing. I will buy it. So even though the blue cheese is gone, these are all good. These are all, look, I'm literally starving. I haven't eaten today. So all this is really like hitting the spot right now. I would say all of them are kind of like, they're dry, all these new flavors. You know, you can get them like sauced or like the lemon pepper one, for example, is like a dry rub, you know? Because they're all dry. They all have like a little bit of oil on them still, so I guess that kind of gives them a little wetness, but they're dry. On the side to drink, I have raspberry tea. Excuse me. So y'all know I always ask y'all doing, so how you guys doing today? Honestly, it's the weekend, so I'm in a better mood than I was. The weekend always cheers me up. You know, when I worked at, I used to work in retail. So, it was years ago. So I had to work on the weekends. It was literally one of like my least favorite parts about the job. Honestly, was working on the weekends because, you know, that's when everything is happening. You know, when you and your friends want to get together and do stuff. Oh, it's the weekend, we're about to go out. And it's like, oh, well, I have to work till 10 p.m. or, you know. So, by the time I get off and get home to get dressed, y'all gonna already be out, you know. Or during the day even. Like, oh, you wanna hang out Saturday? Let's get lunch together. This or that. And it's like, no, I have to work. And so, after that, I was like, after working there, I really didn't want to work on the weekend. And so far, I've been mostly lucky. I had one other job. That was a work from home job. And it was kind of like a call center type job. And I had to work on the weekend. I had to work Sundays, not Saturdays. So, I have to be up at 6 a.m. on Sundays. I didn't say at that time. Well, I really like this one. I'm a big lemon pepper fan, so if you like lemon pepper, you'll like this one. If you like sweetness too, you'll like this one. If you don't like lemon pepper, I don't know. Because you can definitely taste the lemon pepper in this. This one, I don't know. What is it? The Meltdown? I really only taste like, to me, let me see. To me, I really only taste Cajun seasoning. I don't really take, because it's supposed to have garlic, Cajun seasoning, and Parmesan. All I taste is Cajun seasoning, honestly. And then that one's my least favorite one. It's kind of basic compared to the other ones, but it's still good. All of them are good. All of these, I would for sure eat again. Just based off of this reaction, like how I feel right now. I would definitely eat them again. But this one, Crunch Time one, is my favorite. So yeah, like I was saying, I worked that call center job. I didn't last there long. Not just because of the weekend thing, but because I realized I don't want to work in a call center type environment, even though it was work from home. And ever since then, I've made sure that, like, other than those jobs in my adult life, not including when I was in school. In college, I worked as a work study, so I had to work on the weekend. But in my adult life, I've made sure I don't work on the weekends. I only go for jobs where I don't have to work on the weekend. Because it honestly makes a difference. I know, like, they'll give you, like, even if you work a job that, where they have you working on the weekend, you know, they'll usually, like, schedule you and still give you some time off, like, during the week, you know. So you might have, like, a Wednesday off or something like that. But everyone else has the weekend off. So it's like, I'll have Wednesday off. I have to work the weekend. I'll have Wednesday off, but my friends who I want to hang out with have the weekend off, and they're busy on Wednesday working. You know, unless y'all work together. So I don't know. Either way, I'm gonna get to this because I was talking about how happy I am this weekend. And you know, I work since I work in the educational field. Not all positions in the educational field get, like, for summer break and winter break and all of that. But in my position, I do. So that's nice. So I'm almost on spring break, which I'm happy about. I'm not doing anything special. Honestly, just relaxing. Because I feel like I earned it. I feel like I have earned it, you know? I know some of my coworkers are going, like, traveling and stuff like that, going to Vegas, Florida. I'm just like, I just need time off. Originally, I was planning a trip with my friend, but then we had to change the plans. And unfortunately, I'm also on call for jury duty right now. And I am for 2 months. Which, I didn't know you could be on call that long for jury duty. And it's funny because everybody that I was talking to that I've told them about it, they're like, I thought you only would be on call for like 2 weeks or something like that. No, I'm on call for 2 whole months. So all of March and all of April. And I know some people are like, oh, I want to be on jury duty. Oh, I want to be on jury duty. I ain't one. I'm not one of them. So yeah, so that kind of has, like, stopped me from being able to even plan much, you know, for these 2 months. Mm. On another note, my sister is graduating from college soon, and I'm trying to find an outfit. I have one picked. It took me forever to find one. I have one picked. And then I went and looked at the size one. And it's literally not available in my size. It's only available, they only have it in stock in one size, and it's been like that for weeks now. So I don't know. I don't know about you guys, cause I know everyone is different. Like some people when they go to a graduation, they dress down, like they wear regular jeans and stuff like that. But in my family, we look at it as like a celebration, you know, because it is a celebration, and so we treat it like that. And I don't want to say we like go all out, but we like to dress nicely, you know. And so I've been trying to find an outfit, but excuse me, it's been so hard. Between that and my outfit for Beyonce's concert, I am struggling. Beyonce, I have more time, because that's my concert date that I'm going to is until July. But my sister, and then she said she has like 6 weeks left, and then she graduated. So I still have time, but I like to order stuff, like if I'm ordering online versus like in person. Obviously, if I like to order it as far in advance as I can, because when you finally get it, well, who knows how long it's gonna take? Because I have ordered stuff, and I have ordered stuff like a month in advance before I was like taking a trip from Fashion Nova, for example. The one I'm thinking of specifically is Fashion Nova. And I just remember I was taking a trip for New Year's, so I wasn't leaving until after Christmas, between New Year's and Christmas. And I ordered it before Black Friday, like a week or two before Black Friday, the outfits and all that. And it did not come until I was already on my trip. And so I was ordering outfits specifically for this trip, and my order didn't get there to my house. I'm getting a notification while I'm on vacation. I'm getting a notification that my package was delivered. So, because I saw that it was taking forever, I had to find like new outfits and stuff like that last minute. So ever since then, I like to order far enough in advance so that if anything else like that happens, no matter where I'm ordering from. So that's why I'm like, I kind of feel pressure, like I need to hurry up and find my outfit. Even though I still got 6 weeks, I need to find my outfit, because who knows how long it's going to take to get here, wherever I ordered it from. And then also, if it doesn't fit, I'm going to need time to find another outfit, you know? So yeah, I don't know. So if y'all have any websites that aren't popular that y'all shop at, let me know. Because I also don't, I'm the type who I don't like to have the same outfit on as another person. Which I have been lucky enough to not have happen. Like, that never happened to me in person, but I have seen my friends post themselves wearing stuff, and I have the same exact outfit. So, with my sister's graduation, it's not a big deal to me, because it's like, well, it's gonna be a dress or whatever. But with the Beyonce concert, it's a big deal. In terms of me not wearing the same thing as someone else. Because we are going to be unique, right? These fries hit every time. You know, I like how they do their fries too, how they're all like, I guess soggy. It's the best way to describe them. Well, honestly, guys, I wasn't expecting this to be a long video, because I really just wanted to try these. I still got a good amount left, but I wanted to get enough for my family to try it as well. So overall, I for sure think that the Crunch Time ones are my favorite. So overall, I think the Crunch Time ones are my favorite for sure. Wait, it's Crunch Time, right? Yeah, the sweet honey ones and with the lemon, which is these ones right here. You can't even see. I can't even lift them up because they don't have a container. But those ones are my favorite. My second is the Pure Mayhem, which is the fried seasoning one, and then the Meltdown is my last. But they are all good. I definitely would recommend them. They're limited time, and they're just, yeah, they're all good. I like all of them. They're all good. I like all of them. Honestly, I have no complaints. The only thing I would say is that the Meltdown ones just taste like Cajun to me, honestly. I can't really taste like the zesty, wait, what is it? I can't taste the garlic, and it doesn't taste like Parmesan at all to me. I'm not saying that it's not there, but it just doesn't taste like anything like that to me. It literally just tastes like straight up Cajun. Maybe a hint of garlic, a slight hint, but that's about it. These, you can definitely taste the sweet honey and the lemon, and these just taste like the fry seasoning, so they're good automatically. Because I mean, to me, they're good automatically because I love the fry seasoning. Like I said already, I get extra on my fries when I get them. So these are good. It's just the fry seasoning on the wing. And I just feel like you can't go wrong with that if you like the fry seasoning. I know some people might not like it, so because I think you technically can get their fries without it. So if you're a fan of it, I think you probably would like these. In terms of spice, it's non-existent, but it's non-existent, but they all I don't think they're supposed to be spicy, really. I mean, the Meltdown ones are the ones that are supposed to be level 3, I think, out of 5. So, let me see. I don't know. It doesn't really taste like spice to me. It really just tastes like Cajun seasoning. Yeah, it doesn't taste spicy to me. So if you have a high spice tolerance, I think you'll be fine. The fried season one there's no no type of heat. The other ones, I think that there's like, I don't know, you can tell that there's supposed to be a little heat there, but it's not really heat, if that makes sense. Like, it definitely has a little bit of there, but it's not you know, it's not doing nothing. You can tell what the idea behind it was, right? I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, like I said already, I would definitely get them again. I definitely recommend you try them. They are limited time, so it doesn't hurt to try them at least once. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rest of your day, and thank you for watching. Yeah. Okay, bye.